Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and since you guys gave so much love and support on my H&M video, H&M haul video, so I am back with a new video and I have a lot of product to share with you guys. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. And today I am going to do Zara haul. So let's start with the video now. So I'm starting with the first piece which I'm wearing right now. It is this one. This is a nude tank top. Actually this is very good quality and it really gives you a very nice hold, you know. It gives you very nice shape to your body and it really makes me look slimmer. So I'm just loving this top so far. And this is from Zara Basics collection. Everybody knows that Zara is known for their basic collection, you know. So yeah, the first piece is this one. As you can see, this is a nudish kind of a color which I am just digging for, and this looks really pretty on, you know. And it has that square neckline kind of a pattern going on which really gives your neck very elongated effect. I mean, yeah, you can see. And I got this for 690 rupees. So this is a very value for money top, and I just love the way it fits me, you know. And I just love the way it shapes my body and it makes me look so slim and so structured. So yeah, this is my first pick. Moving on to second product, and second product is this crop top. It has a spaghetti straps which are very good quality. These are not cheap quality at all. Of course, you are buying Zara. And this looks very cute and very good quality, and I got it in size medium because this was on sale, and generally I wear size small in Zara, but sizes में available थी नहीं. There is only one left in size medium, but I had to buy it anyways because I just love the finish and the pattern and that apple shape kind of a bottom detailing going on. So yeah, my second pick is this, and I just love the way it fits, and I will insert a clip or a picture somewhere on the side so you can see how it actually looks on me. So my next pick is this shirt. This is in a chiffon material and it has a pleated kind of a pattern going on. I hope you can see the pattern, and it has this balloon sleeves kind of theme going on, so it looks, you know, very beautiful and very polished and very chic, very girly type of a piece. And I got it in extra small size because again I bought it in sale, so extra small size ही available थी. And when I saw this on a model, so I thought this is a very baggy kind of a fit. So yeah, I don't mind wearing extra small also, and being honest, extra small fits me very well because it has a baggy kind of a pattern going on. So moving on to next purchase. Next I bought, again it is also a basic kind of a piece. This is a tank top, as you can see here, and ये बहुत ज़्यादा soft और बहुत ज़्यादा structured look देता है to the body, you know, and it looks very stunning with boyfriend fit jean or even high waisted jean के साथ. This looks absolutely stunning. So I was just sold on this because whenever I'm wearing this, it just sticks to my body like an air, you know. It looks so beautiful, and you can see how awesome it looks, you know. It looks so stunningly beautiful and super chic, and I can get so many uses out of it. I mean, I can pair this up with denims, with trousers, even with jackets, you know, or with coats. Yeah, blazers के साथ भी this will look awesome. So moving on to next purchase, which is my favorite hands down from the lot, and it was this one. 1 minute, let me make it little aesthetically pleasing to you. Next I bought is this crop top, and this color, oh my god, this color looks so stunningly beautiful, you know. and I got it for like 650, and it is originally priced at rupees 1290, and I got it in size small, you know. Luckily I got my size in this. So yeah, as you can see, it has a spaghetti kind of a straps going on, and it has a tie knot pattern at the hem. So you will see in the clip how it looks on me, and it looks super chic and stunning, you know. So yeah, when I saw this on a Zara website, I was like, please come to me. I'm just like sold on this color, and hands down it looks super chic and stunning, you know. This will look gorgeous with skirts, with denims, with what not. So next I purchased is this crop top, and this is just for like 390 rupees, and I got it in again size small. And yeah, this is a simple basic crop top which going to look stunning with every single thing, you know. I mean, whatever you wear, this is going to look super stunning. And with dungarees, with denims, high-waisted, this is again a great pick, and it is value for money, you know. I mean, Zara basics are so affordable and they are so good quality, and you can't go wrong with Zara basics, you know. Moving on to next purchase. Next I purchased is this white linen basic t-shirt, and again, this is so basic, but this is so good quality. I noticed with Zara products, I mean, they are so good quality and they are so comfortable to wear, you know. They feel so comfy and so relaxed. So yeah, next I purchased is this basic white t-shirt. This is very basic t-shirt which looks fabulous with denims and white shoe. Yeah, those are something, you know, I adore those kind of looks. I mean, when you are confused and you have nothing to wear, kind of a situation going on, just throw on a white t-shirt and denim and white sneakers or white shoe, and you are good to go. That is going to look super stylish, and that will make you look very elegant as well. So next I bought is this oversized white shirt. Of course, अगर आपने मेरा H&M haul देखा होगा तो you are saying like white shirt कितने लेगी, but no, this is oversized actually, you know. And oversized white shirt is very essential, and you can style it in so many ways, you know, and it is going to look super cute and chic. And I mean, जब भी आप इसको नए तरीके से पहनोगे, it is going to look absolutely new piece, and it is going to look absolutely new top. So yeah, and I got it in size small, but despite being small, this is actually very baggy, as you can see in the clip or a picture. So it is very baggy, and it has a decent kind of a length going on. I have few looks in my mind, you know. So moving on to next I bought is this very cute and very pretty colored top. It has a 2-string detailing going on, which you can actually tie it up, and it is going to look very cute and very stylish, you know. And it has a 3/4 sleeves, जो कि थोड़ी सी, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, but थोड़ी सी bell pattern में है. It has a ruffle detailing going on throughout the neckline and the hem at the bottom, and it looks very cute and very summery, you know. It looks really very cute, and it is double lined, so it is not see-through. So, and again, it has a eyelet kind of a pattern going on, as you can see here. If you can see, if my camera is picking it up. Yeah, so it has a eyelet kind of a detailing going on, and it is in a georgette material, and I got it in size small. So you can see how it fits me, and it is priced at rupees 1890, but I got it for like 800 only. So of course it is a good deal. So moving on to next article which I bought, and in my previous H&M haul video, so many of you asked me, and that time I haven't mentioned which denim I was wearing because I was planning to do Zara haul as well, you know. So मुझे लगा कि अभी नहीं बताते हैं. When I will do a Zara haul, then I will disclose कि मैंने कौन सी denim पहनी है. So it is this one. Isn't the loveliest color? You have this was the denim which I wore in my previous video with majority of my tops. This is from their high rise super skinny jean, and yeah, I got it in size Euro 36 and USA 4, and basically I got it in one size smaller because I wanted it to be little snug fit, you know. So it is going to make your waistline look very slim and very structured, and basically I bought it for its color. I mean, I was searching for this kind of a color for so long, you know. Website, this was appearing like some other color, but jab aaya to I was, you know, loving it even more because this color was superly flattering and superly awesome. Despite being a snug fit and super skinny jeans, this is extremely comfortable and stretchable. So it really fits very well on my body, as you can see here, and it really gives me super stylish and super structured. Yeah. My one tip to you would be whenever you are purchasing a denim, please invest in a good fitted denim, you know. I mean, top आप कोई भी ले सकते हो, किसी भी ब्रांड से ले सकते हो, no issue. But bottoms अगर denim आपकी well fitted है ना, तो सिंपल से सिंपल टॉप भी बहुत ज़्यादा स्टाइलिश और बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लैटरिंग लगता है. एंड इफ़ यू डोंट हैव राइट काइंड ऑफ अ डेनिम, राइट फिटेड गुड पेयर ऑफ अ डेनिम, इट डजेंट मैटर, आप कोई भी टॉप पहन लो, इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू लुक प्रिटी एट ऑल. सो माई वन टिप टू यू वुड बी invest in a good quality and good fitted denim. So moving on to next article. Next I purchased is this boyfriend fit rugged kind of a denim, and it has a slash on knees, and the very exciting part is their hem. So you can see, so you can see it has a frayed hem kind of a detailing going on, and it has a asymmetrical hem pattern going on. So you will see in the clip how it looks on me, and it looks super stylish and super stunning again, and iske fits me like a dream, you know. It looks super stunning on. I am just sold on Zara denims. They just have all my mind, you know, and the way it flatters my waistline and my thighs, and you know, the way it flatters my body, it is super amazing. It is super amazing, and I just love the way Zara denims fits, and you will see how it looks on me. And of course, if you want to pick just one product from this haul, just buy one Zara. Again, I bought mom jean. These are the ripped knee and raw hem kind of a pattern going on. Not raw, completely raw, but the bottom of these are little distressed, so it looks super stylish when you little fold it, and you will see how it looks on me wearing on. So yeah, these are simple basic mom jeans, and again these are priced at rupees 2590. So these are pretty good quality, and it doesn't have any stretch to it. It is in pure cotton material, so it is 100% organic cotton. So it is very comfortable on the body, and the fit of it, actually it looks very stunning on, you know, and it fits better than the H&M mom jean. So yeah, next I bought is this super duper cute kind of a dress, and again this has a pleated pattern going on, as you can see. There you go. So yeah, it is a layered kind of a pattern going on, and And this looks very stunning wearing on, you know, and it has a spaghetti straps and it is in chiffon material, so it hugs to your body very well, and it was priced at rupees 2590. I will mention a price somewhere on the screen, and it was from their TRF range. So yeah, this is the cutest dress I ever bought, and it looks very stunning on, you know. You will see in the clip how it looks on me. So yeah, this was my next pick. Next I bought is this sandals. These are Zara sandals, and these are on discount. I mean, originally these are priced at rupees 6,000 something, and I bought it on a discount. It was on a 50% discount, so yeah, and you will see how it looks on me in a clip, because इसमें जो है वो it has a long strings going on, and it has a tie knot pattern. You just have to wear it, and you can just tie around your leg or on a denim, you know. You will see how I style them, and yeah, it is pretty Zara footwears are pretty decent quality, so you won't be compromising with Zara products, that I can guarantee you. Next I bought is this black heels. This also have a strappy pattern going on. These have a long straps, which again you can tie it around your ankle and or over your jeans, and it is going to look fabulous. It will look fabulous on, and it has a pointed kind of a pattern going on, as you can see here. So yeah, this was my next purchase, and you will see in the picture or in the clip how it looks on me. So yeah guys, that's all I have for the video, and those are the all products which I bought from Zara. And if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and please do consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you all super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.